Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q60 Premium 3.0. We just acquired this one off lease. One of the benefits of people turning in their leases with us is that we have first dibs on buying them from Infiniti Financial Services. This gorgeous example, how could we not buy this one? We couldn't pass this gorgeous example up. So now it's available for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti, one owner clean Carfax. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. With Infiniti pre-owned certification, you get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti, like trip interruption, roadside assistance. Qualified buyers actually can also have the chance to obtain low rate financing, special financing through Infiniti Financial Services on certified pre-owned vehicles. You have a certified warranty that's 6 years and limited mileage and covers about 1,400 components. Your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary, and you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days, and that's good at any Infiniti dealership in the United States. And of course, you can visit InfinitiUSA.com for more benefits of Infiniti pre-owned certification. This one is very nicely equipped with features. Really beautiful color. Iridium blue on stone is a gorgeous color combination. And this one is really nicely equipped with features. It has a Premium Plus package. That one is a pretty big ticket package, $3,200. That gives you navigation. Most people want navigation on a car like this with voice recognition. You have Infiniti InTouch Services. It's a subscription-based system. Visit InfinitiUSA.com for more information about InTouch. You have Navi synchronized adaptive shift control. So the way adaptive shift control works is it momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration out of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. But with Navi synchronization, it actually can see those upcoming road conditions on the GPS, and it can prepare for those upcoming road conditions. Really cool stuff. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start. You have power and tilt telescoping steering wheel column with memory, dual occupant memory for driver's seat, mirrors, and steering column settings, and driver's seat power lumbar support. The memory is another nice feature. If you have multiple drivers, you just hit a button and then the steering column, mirrors, the seat goes exactly to the settings that you like. This one only has 26,394 miles. Look at this beautiful interior. Nice beautiful stitching and synthetic leather throughout the interior. Nice contoured seats. We have a drive mode selector here that makes changes to transmission shift points, a throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings, steering. There's multiple modes, as you can see. The Q60 has a dual display system. It's one of the first coupes of its kind to have a dual display system like this. The top screen is for navigation. It's for the parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can even personalize it, like what the drive mode selector does here. You can even drill down a little bit further and personalize it even more. Maybe you want the transmission to be in sport mode, but you like the steering in standard mode. You can do that. Active traction control will individually brake the wheels to help the vehicle rotate through the corners a little bit better. Oh, we're getting a phone call. Let's pause that so I can finish this video. Look at this beautiful shade of blue. You're gonna get looks and compliments wherever you go. 2017 is a great year for the Q60 because it got a complete ground up redesign, brand new engines. So 2015 is the last year of the old generation Q60, which dates back to the 2008 G37 platform. And sorry, my phone's ringing again. I should shut it off when I do these videos. So going back to that, so the 2015 G37/Q60 was getting long in the tooth, so they skipped a model year for 2016 and 2017. They went right to the brand new Q60, built on the Advanced Front Midship platform. You have rear-wheel drive performance. You have a nice 300 horsepower twin turbo V6. This is a brand new engine for the Q60. Twin turbos, direct injection. This car is very quick with 300 horsepower. And look at the beautiful lines of this Q60, one of the most beautiful cars on the road. Adaptive xenon lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. And then you have daytime LED running lights. This also has the Infiniti Radiant Grille. It lights up at night. It absolutely looks awesome with this thing lit up at night. I wish it was dark out now so I could show you how cool it looks. Decent amount of trunk space. Serviced and checked by our Infiniti techs. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti than a new Infiniti store like us? Contact us with any questions. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.